Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the playback speed on your TikTok videos. So if you're watching TikTok and you want to change the playback speed, then let me show you how to do this. So on TikTok, you want to go ahead and long press on any video until you see this menu. Next, you want to go ahead and swipe left from the top until you see playback speed. Go ahead and tap on this. This will now ask you if you want to speed it up or you want to slow it down. So you can speed it up by 2 times or 1.5 times, or you can slow it down by half. So we'll go ahead and slow it down by half. And now, as you can see, the playback speed has been changed to slow it down. So if you look at another video, you can see that playback speed has been changed and has been slowed down. So let's just speed it up. And now the playback speed has been increased. So there you go, guys. That is how to change the playback speed on your TikTok videos.